Motor oil is the life force that courses through the engine, so you should use synthetic oil for optimized performance. Synthetic oil is the best motor oil that you can provide for gasoline or diesel-powered vehicles. Synthetic lubricants can be made using chemically modified petroleum components, rather than whole crude oil, but can also be synthesized from other raw materials. It's the most important auto service product that requires regular replacement to ensure that the motor continues to perform as expected. So if you're looking for one, then we can help you with some of the best in the business. Head over to the video description to find more about the featured products and for links to buy them. The Motul 007250 is specially designed for powerful and recent cars, fitted with high displacement engines, gasoline direct injection, and turbo diesel and catalytic converters. Also, it is suitable for leaded or unleaded gasoline, diesel fuels, and LPG. The OPEL/GM Diesel LL B025 standard requires two main properties to the lubricant, such as high HTHS and very low volatility, to drastically decrease oil consumption. This engine oil is especially recommended for OPEL 2.0 and 2.2 DTI engines. This oil weights SAE 5W40, meaning it has an SAE viscosity rating of 5 in cold temperatures, and a rating of 40 at average operating temperature. Its complicated method of production means it can often cost more than conventional motor oil. Next up on the list, we have Valvoline SAE 0W20. It comes with Max Life technology, which is specially formulated to provide maximum engine protection against friction and wear. Through its advanced formulation, it supplies proven-to-wear protection additives that hold up to high temperatures and resistance under the most severe driving conditions. The oil can be used in diesel, gasoline, and LPG engines. Its low viscosity makes for smooth engine running, even just after a cold start, in low-temperature environments. Due to the viscosity features, the oil is not recommended for use in hot climates, in high-load driving conditions, and engines with high mileage, and thus a high level of wear. However, the oil enables an instant flow in cold starts, which allows for fast, smooth running and optimal fuel consumption for these conditions. On the other hand, the oil is formulated with special additives that keep it from forming varnishes, sludge, and other damaging deposits. Up next on the list, we have Pennzoil Platinum 5W30. This is a fully synthetic motor oil that is designed for complete protection and top engine performance. It provides improved fuel economy, on average, an extra 550 miles per year, compared to a dirty engine. The patented Pure Plus technology keeps pistons up to 30% cleaner than required by the most robust industry standard, and keeps your engine cleaner than any leading synthetic oil. When exposed to frigid temperatures, this motor oil flows faster, meaning that the motor oil travels quickly to lubricate the various engine parts. It offers unsurpassed wear protection by keeping engine parts from coming into contact. However, this oil helps protect against the effects of low-speed pre-ignition (LSPI) in modern turbocharged engines. The next product on the list is the Castrol 03057 GTX. This synthetic oil protects the engine in your car using intelligent molecules, which stick to the most critical parts of an engine and remain on the surfaces, even when the engine is not running. When the engine stops, oil drains back to the sump, but the intelligent molecules in Castrol GTX Magnatech don't. They cling to critical engine parts, like a magnet, providing an extra layer of protection from the start and throughout warm-up. Its additional layer enables enough lubrication for the first minutes after the start, when it is vulnerable to enormous wear. It is designed for any gasoline engine, and only Castrol GTX Magnatech is uniquely formulated to provide instant protection from the moment of start. The Castrol 03087 Edge provides ultimate performance for an extended drain of 20,000 miles or a full year. It is engineered with fluid titanium technology that offers maximum strength under pressure. The main difference between this engine oil and other premium ones is the more significant oil change intervals. Also, it has gained a significant number of OEM and industry approvals, so it is an excellent choice for both diesel and gasoline engines. Further, it reduces metal-to-metal contact across a range of different driving speeds, and its proprietary titanium additive provides unsurpassed wear protection. Another advantage is that this oil decreases engine deposit formation to help maximize engine response. Plus, the oil is 3 times stronger against viscosity breakdown than Mobil 1 Extended Performance. Finally, at the top of the list, we have Mobil 1 120769 3PK. This advanced full synthetic motor oil is designed to help maximize engine performance and extend the engine life of vehicles with more than 75,000 miles. It has special additives developed to wash harmful deposits away and to ensure a high level of protection against wear on the parts of a gasoline engine. This oil is also recommended for engines which run with lower quality oil, which means that the wear risks are higher here. The seal additives or conditioners on the oil save the engine from potential oil leaks, as it reduces the present leaks. Another advantage is that it helps reduce the sludge and deposits that conventional oils can leave behind. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up to show your support. And last, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Have a good day.